Hi, welcome to Notion. If you want to level up your organization for your business, then you're in the right place. Let me walk you through the template. I'll start with the dashboard. You can see the projects you're working on right here. Here's a quick summary of what you do. Check out your active clients. How many invoices are due this month and are paid? And how many posts you have scheduled on social media. So here's the to-do list for today and tomorrow. For the calendar, you can choose between a task calendar, a project calendar, and an invoice calendar. On the right, you can see how much you're making and how far you are from your goal. I like checking how well I'm doing, and that motivates me. You can see your income, expenses, and profit on the current month, or on the annual basis. Let's move on to the next page. Here's where you can store client info. Their names, how much revenue they're bringing in, and what kind of project you're working on together. Below are the leads before they become clients. Let's continue. In the project page, you can view your project information, see if there are any pending invoices, and look at what documents are related to this client. The Docs page is where you save contracts and proposals. Okay, let's continue to the time tracking page. Designed for freelancers who need to track their work hours. Here is your summary of how much time you've been working on today, this week, and this month. You'll find the timesheet down here. The Start Tracking button automatically starts the timer. The timer is now running. Let's try waiting 2 minutes. I'll speed up this video. When you're done tracking the time, click In Session. It will record the time you clock in and out. Enter your hourly rate and you're done. Also, the amount will be reflected in your summary. Go to Invoice page. This is where you put your clients' invoices and link them to your projects. You can see the amount, due date, and how many days are left. For example, this invoice still has 2 days left until it's due. This is due tomorrow, and this is 19 days late. To mark it as paid, tick the box. The Resources page has several sections. First, save any templates or supporting documents you might need for your business. Then, if you want to save time, you can write pre-written responses. Here's the canned email for regular inquiries, payment reminders, and scheduling. Then, save any notes you have. Lastly, you can save tools and services that might be useful. Check where your next renewal date is if you're subscribed to the service. Here's the master task list, where you can categorize by department and priority. Once you're done with the task, tick the box. Different view of the database. Next, the planner. You'll get 12 pre-made pages for your monthly view. If you're like me and like to keep your business in monthly view, this is perfect for you. Let's say you open February page. In that month, you can see what project you're working on, your invoice list, and your social media posts. Below, you can input all the transactions in that month, your incomes and expenses. Also, the financial summary for that month. If you go back to the main planner page, for every month there are daily pages. Let's open it. This page is mostly for planning your daily schedule and priorities. It can be customized to your needs. You can make a new page by clicking New. That's it. Here you can plan your social media posts across any platform. To keep it consistent, plan everything in advance. Visualize your entire content calendar at a glance. It's easy to change the view depending on the platform, status, or calendar. Next is the marketing strategy. It includes what kind of message to use for each platform, posting frequency and schedule. There's a different audience for every platform, so tailor your content accordingly. Here's the referral page. This is where you make a referral program that encourages current customers to refer new ones. And the testimonial page. Here's your win folder, where you can save positive reviews for your business. They're great for marketing. Next is the finance page. Here's the master list of all your transactions. Enter all your incomes here from any month. You can make an estimate for the transaction in advance. Once the transaction is confirmed, tick it. Below you can put in your income categories. Every month, you can see the generated income for that category. The same goes for expenses. Here's an overview of all the incomes, expenses, and profits for the month. Lastly, the annual overview. Next, put all your branding stuff here. Take a moment to think about your brand's vision and mission, your brand personality and value. Make sure you know who your target audience is. Also, the visuals for your brand, like your color scheme, logo, and font. Let's go to the goal page. This is where you create clear and measurable goals for your business. You can set a deadline and see how many days you have left. After that, you can make an action plan step by step. Once the plan is done, check the box. After that, you'll see progress towards your goal here. You can also mark it as complete. And then service page. Here's where you define your service package, features, and pricing. Using this outline will help you create your marketing materials. Next, user journey. Here's where you can map out the whole client process, end to end. Understanding that will help you improve your client experience and what kind of documents you will need at each stage. And the last one is the growth page. In this section, you can keep track of the courses you have taken. Also your reading list. That's the end of the tour. You'll get everything you need to improve your productivity and rock your project. So, why not take the plunge and give it a try? Thanks for watching.